Hey everybody, I'm Kathy Markham. Today I've brought you out to FM 2628, which is just about a 15-minute drive from Huntsville. This is an awesome farmhouse on just over 12 acres, and by now you know that I love farmhouses, so I can't wait to take you inside and show you around. I love kitchens like this. It's light and bright. There's so many cabinets. There's a place for everything here. The kitchen leads out into this amazing living area, and every farmhouse needs an amazing fireplace such as this. There's plenty of seating in here. Behind me through this doorway leads to the master bedroom and bathroom. This is truly country living at its finest. If you'd like to see this place, give us a call or look us up online. Even though we are socially distancing ourselves more than what we might like to, that should not stop you from getting a customized view of this property. Let us know how we can help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.